Che è proprio avanzato.
Sì, la compro.
So that,
Okay,
the
guys.
Donaldson Road?
Yeah, he will come here.
Oh, I see somebody coming.
Sorry. She took it just before I walked in.
Ali, agora tá bom, vai, agora tá bom, agora tá ótimo.
جی مساج یکی مشکلتی یکی جمعه شنبه زی بخینم برنامه ما یه بقدر من سهرم دیگه خیلی کار حتی ساعت 6 نمی‌بود. سی حتی 36 سی تدايه وانا هوالی کو زندان ترکیه را به اشکنجه هاتمون کشتن 1908 دا
Huma is Aslan, 25 November 1980. Jazirantel, political. Canan Gürsoy, 30 December 1980, Diyarbakır. Rachi Yilmaz, 5th December 1980, Istanbul. Mehmet Sani, 6th December 1980, Istanbul. Erkan Koca, 15th December 1980, Yeni Malhala Police Station. Bajat Dinlerer, 15th December 1980, Ankara Security. Nihat Arda, 16th December 1980, Ankara Security Director.
In case you didn't understand, we're reading the names of 6 people who were tortured to death in Turkish prisons. We do that every day when we march here to commemorate them, to just remember them. It's an act of remembrance on our part. We also have a message of solidarity today sent to us from Guatemala Human Rights Commission. I want to acknowledge Harold for bringing it to us. Thank you very much. It means a lot to us, and I'd like to read it now to our supporters. Dear Mr. Khulam and all supporters of Leyla Zana, the Guatemala Human Rights Commission USA wishes to express its support for political prisoner Leyla Zana and her colleagues being held by the Turkish government. Their imprisonment is not only a violation of their human rights, but of common decency as well. We salute those currently on a hunger strike and pledge our support to their cause. We call upon President Clinton and all members of Congress to demand the release of these political prisoners and to insist that the Turkish government abide by internationally recognized standards of human rights. Our work has brought us in daily contact with the violations of human rights of both Guatemalan and United States citizens. As we struggle to bring these violations to an end, we join with you in your efforts to do the same for Kurdish people.